hat flew off back there.
What?
Your hat flew off back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
I didn't know you were gonna be in a t-shirt, dude. Otherwise, I'd have fucking been in a t-shirt, man. I'm already sweating like a whore.
I know, that's why I was earlier. Right now we're going to cycle gear because I need a phone mount finally. Oh shit, there's his hat. He got his hat back. Alright, well, just left cycle gear right there. I got a phone mount. I was going to put it in the stem right here, but it's not just a thing you can do right out of the box. You got to cut some shit, so I'm take it all home. Probably do it at work tomorrow. That's where all my tools are and shit. Look at this guy. I got a fucking sunburn. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. In the mirror. Oh, God. I didn't think I was going to actually fully burn, but hey, 'tis the season, my brothers. So earlier, I was testing out the camera and the microphone and trying to figure out how to get the audio from my phone. It's weird, man. I use this third-party app, and I basically have to take the audio and then share it. The only way I get it to work was, it wouldn't work by email, so I had to put it in my Google Drive, and then, long story short, it all works now, and it just sucks that I have to sync the two things to fucking together. But it'll work for now. I think I'm going to go ahead and order a microphone that's a lot better quality and less work, so we'll just plug up straight to the GoPro. And, yeah, man. We'll get some good quality vlogs going. Shit, dude. And even if I have to, I'll just buy the new fucking GoPro. I mean, this one has really good quality, though, so I ain't really too worried about that. It's beautiful now that the fucking sun's gone down a little bit, recovered by clouds. But yeah, it would be nice once I get that fucking phone mounted. It'd be easier to like mess with the GoPro and shit, because I know, like, I think you hit like 10 minutes or something like that. Oh yeah, get it, oh yeah. But what was I saying? It'd be easier to, fuck with the GoPro, because I think earlier when I was testing it, I didn't get a couple shots that I wanted because I thought I was recording. But actually, it had stopped recording, I think like after 10 minutes or something like that, so it kind of fucked me up. It was like 15 minutes. We're getting back up on the highway. Go, go, go. man, I won't get over it. It feels so good to ride with someone else now. I'm hoping I get all the shots I want for when we go up to the mountain, too. It's been a while. I can't wait to get back out there. I'm definitely not going to go as hard as I did last year, considering last year I almost fucking ate shit hard 2 weeks in a row. I was just getting too comfortable, man. You go out there and play leathers, you get used to laying your knee on the ground for 4 minutes. You're like, well, how much can I push it this time? How much can I push it this time? Like, nah, don't be a fucking dumbass, chill out. But I was a dumbass and I didn't chill out, so I didn't go down, thankfully. We were all good, got all limbs. But yeah, I'm not gonna go as hard, man. I'm gonna save it for when we go do the street bike track time. Then I know if I go down there and lay my shit down and hurt myself, at least there's on-site paramedics and shit. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. He's big chillin'. He's big chillin'. Yeah, that's right. Smack your gas tank. Give it a little. I'm starting to get my chicken strips too, man. Chicken strips are getting back on the back tire. They're about quarter inch, but because before when I put these new tires on, I never had chicken strips because we were literally going up north into the mountains every weekend. But lately, I mean, through all like winter time and shit, when I've been riding, it's just been pretty much straight line riding like this. And we'll go to the girlfriend's brother's house or go hang out with her family, and it's all pretty much just straight roads. I don't really get a chance to drop knee or anything. I love my SLI. I was like, shit, he's getting up or what? Got him. Bye, buddy. I'll see you at work tomorrow. Oh, yeah. She's blinking. See, I wish this bike had an actual fucking gas gauge. For some reason, there's no gas gauge until the reserve light comes on. And it's like, why can't that be integrated as a fucking fuel gauge as well? Like the newer, like the RRs. I'm pretty sure those have gas gauges, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. I had my moment. Time to head on home and see how this footage played out. This is all going to be a huge test, and hoping for the best. I kind of went through the audio a little bit, and not a huge fan of the way the microphone sounds, but hey, man, that's better than nothing. Hello. Come on out. It's your little ass trailer. What the fuck? It's like for a lawnmower, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, no, now you need to back a fucking trailer for those little boats. Thank you. Hello, puppy dog. Hello, buddy. Alright, I better make sure I keep my RPMs low so lady over here doesn't think I'm speeding again. Holy shit, man. There's another doggy. Hello, doggy. Or the big boy boat. Can't even stay in his fucking lane with his boat. I gotta turn around. What the fuck is going on behind you here? What the fuck are you doing? Come on, Barrow, like, stay in your fucking lane with your little canoe. It's not that fucking small of a lane, man. Man, I'm really excited to edit this video. I've been editing non-stop gaming videos pulled off of my stream for the last fucking 2 months. And this is finally my first outdoor video. Finally, I'm out of the fucking house, making content. I don't know, man. I'm fucking excited to do something new. Jump out of my element for once and not just focus on my streaming. And because let's be real, bro, like getting into this game right now of content creation it's rough, right? Everyone has their favorite creator. You have to be completely off the wall, and basically what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to pull an audience from all different aspects in just one. Like, you know, you have your favorite streamer that'll stream Fortnite, which I don't care for Fortnite, but whatever. Then you have your Call of Duty streamers. You have like all these major game streamers that you already know and love and go back to, right? And I'm a huge variety streamer. I don't like to mix it up. And now I'm gonna mix up I'm gonna stir the pot a little more with this variety YouTube channel. You know, I want us to all start one nice big community that has all these same interests. Maybe even bring some new interests into the community. That'll get me into it just so I can waste more money on shit I don't need to, right? Like, what the fuck is that? Like, normally I like to kind of go a little fast down this road, but I drove down it earlier and there was so much debris, like, it kind of worries me. And this part right here, like, normally I know after this part that's super bumpy, like, then I can go. Like that shit right there. Right there. So much shit in the road right now, bro. It's going to be weird too when I edit this. I'm going to have to drop the audio completely out of the GoPro, which I'm curious what the audio from the GoPro actually sounds like. And this is probably where the video is going to end because I don't need any motherfuckers knowing where I live.